is Dr. Sumitra and it's GE8291 Environmental Science and Engineering, and it's the first video in the series of videos for environmental science and engineering. And today's topic of discussion is chapter 1. For your convenience, the chapters themselves are divided into short videos and grouped into chapter-wise playlists so that you can start from where you left rather than searching through an hour-long lecture that would make it hard for you and dry to search. So what will you be covering in the objectives of this chapter? After finishing the entire chapter, you will be able to appreciate the meaning of environment, scope of environmental studies, career opportunities in environmental science and engineering, importance of the subject, interactions between earth, human and environment, need for public awareness and each individual's responsibility. Case study 1, which will exclusively discuss the need for public awareness and each individual's responsibility. When you start to understand a subject for the first time, you need to have the enthusiasm to learn the origin, the history, its technological flow. In this video 001, you will learn to define the environment, environmental science, and finally environmental science and engineering. The objective that you will achieve at the end of this video will be you will be able to differentiate environmental science from environmental science and engineering. The term environment comes from an old French word called environ. That means where your whereabout or what is around you or your surroundings. Thus, having understood the origin of the word environment, the next term we need to define and understand is what does the term ecology mean. We can define the term ecology as a study of interactions between an organism of some kind and its environment. Next, we will define the term environment as per the Environmental Protection Act of 1986. According to the Environmental Protection Act of 1986, environment or natural systems is the sum of land, water and air and the interactions or interrelationships among themselves and with the human beings and other living organisms. As per the definition of environmental scientist Gaudi, environment is a representation of physical components of the earth where humans are an important factor affecting the environment. Having understood what the terms environment and ecology mean, let us understand the definition of the study environmental science. Environmental science is an interdisciplinary field that requires the study of physical, chemical and biological components in terms of environmental pollution and degradation. If environmental science is an interdisciplinary study, then we should briefly understand the subjects involved in it. The subjects involved in environmental science are many, of which ethics, biology, medicine, engineering, physics, chemistry, geology, archaeology, sociology, anthropology, economics, geography, ethical science, demography, philosophy, oceanography, etc. are some of the important few. That this is not the end of the list. Then what is environmental science and engineering? The definition of environmental science and engineering is just the extension of the definition environmental science. Both the subjects deal with the interactions of the natural systems of the earth with human systems, the pressures imparted by the human systems on the natural systems of the earth, such as physical, chemical and biological systems in terms of environmental pollution and degradation. But environmental science and engineering in addition deals with the application of technology based on engineering principles to find solutions for the pressures induced by humans in the form of environment pollution and environmental degradation. To understand this definition more clearly, let us discuss an example based on our world population. Our world population as of March 2020 has exceeded 7.8 billion people. It has taken 2 million years for the world human population to reach 1 billion in population. In contrast, it has taken only 200 years for us to reach 7.8 billion. The world population has experienced continuous growth following the Great Famine of 1315 and 1317 and the end of the Black Death in 1350. When the population was near 317 million, the highest global population growth rates with increases of over 1.8% occurred between 1955 and 1975, peaking at 2.1% between 1965 and 1970. However, the growth rate declined by 1.2% between 2010 and 2018 and is projected to decline further in the course of the 21st century. Yet, the population is still increasing and is projected to reach about 10 billion in 2050 and more than 11 billion by 2100. Thus, from this example, we can clearly understand that the human system and the ultimate waste our system produces poses the primary huge threat and burden to the natural system on the earth. Thus, a huge number of environmental scientists and environmental engineers are needed to achieve a zero waste lifestyle, otherwise simply called as 5R technology, to make the earth a more sustainable planet for the future generations. Thus, GE 8291 Environmental Science and Engineering is the first stepping stone to the understanding of these wonderful professions. Thus, to summarize this part of the video and presentation, assess yourself and ask yourself these questions. Where does the word environment derive from? Define ecology. Define the term environment as per the Environmental Protection Act of 1986 and as per the environmental scientist Gowdy. Define environmental science and engineering and why is environmental science needed. Thank you for listening to this session of GE 8291 Environmental Science and Engineering, and hope you will join me in the next video to be a part of this wonderful journey of understanding environmental science and engineering. With case studies, a free PDF link with the part A questions answered is provided in the description that can be downloaded for free. Thank you for listening and hope you join me in the next.